Yeah, what's going on, YouTube fam? Today is the day. This is my child support court date for my deadbeat child's mother. Man, court date is in March the 27th of 2025. Pretty much everything they send you when they put you on child support, but yeah. I am taking her to child support court after she lost custody of our child back in June 3rd, 2024. Actually, she lost custody in May 2024, but I got him from the courts June 3rd, 2024. I already had told my son that I was doing this because she had lied to him all these years about me not paying her anything. Had him thinking that I never sent any money until I picked him up or got him for court, and I let him read every document that I had. Why? Because he's 16. I asked him, did he want to see it? He said yes, and I let him read it, and he just shook his head. He said, I can't believe she lied to me all these years. Yep. Now, I told him, I said, I'm putting your mom on child support. I said, it's more so whatever she sends, I'm like, you can have it. I said, because they probably ain't gonna make her send anything. That's just how it is when it comes to a man receiving child support. We don't get any justice with that. I say, as far as me, yeah, it's personal. I said, for 16 years, I dealt with your mom in child support court. You started child support in 2008 with a fake worksheet, meaning she didn't have her income on the worksheet. She had zero listed. You think they checked to see if she worked anywhere? Nah, bro, they didn't do that. Then on my income, you had me down with some outrageous number. And I'm sitting there like, y'all didn't even check to see if I even make this. Y'all just went off of what she says. So then shortly after that, got to go back to court for a modification. A modification for what? Oh, all of a sudden the child need daycare. Like, bro, come on, man. So now I got to go back and forth to court because she want daycare money. You just got awarded child support. Now you got to go back to court for modification. Well, you think that was over with? Nah. She got to go back to court. This time, oh, the child's in private school. You sure is making a lot of damn moves and not have no job. You feel what I'm saying? Like, you doing everything you can to not have no income just to make all these decisions with our child, right? Oh, it gets better. Oh, it's time for another modification. You know what this modification about? She lost her job. So I'm asking the courts, how you want a modification because you lost your job, but the worksheet initially had zero income down for her? So in between that time span, when she did get a job, nobody thought enough to say, hey, since you're working, we need to redo this worksheet. Nah, they didn't do that, homie. So you talking about lawyer fees? Every time I turn around, Mr. McNeil, you need to come to court for contempt, saying I owe $800 arrears, $1,000 arrears, $2,000 arrears, $3,000, $4,000. I'm sitting there like, where all these damn arrears coming from when I ain't missing no dang on payment? Make that shit make sense to me. You feel what I'm saying? Every time I turn around, it's a damn bench one out for me. You damn right I'm taking her to child support court. Because I want her to feel exactly what the hell I went through for 16 damn years. As far as the money, I know I ain't gonna get anything. I just want her to go through what I went through. And she has a habit of not showing up to court. So I know she ain't gonna show up on March. I already know she's not. I can call them right now and be like, she's not showing up. But it's just the beauty. Ain't no fun when the rabbit got the gun. No fun when the rabbit got the gun. But yeah, when my son get in the car, he's at driver's ed again. When he gets in the car, I'm go ahead and let him know. Finally got a court date, because he always asking me, you got a court date yet? Because when I went to court last week for the arrears amount suspension, I got home, or he got home from school. He's like, how did it go? I said, oh yeah, the judge dismissed the $6,000. He's like, yes. So kids ain't crazy, man. You don't lie to this dude all these years. And now he's on my side. See, he's on my side without me lying to him. He's on my side because of the evidence that I don't show him. And I told him, I said, man, watch. I said, watch your mom gonna try to start reaching out to you and try to be nice to you, thinking that you gonna get next to me to stop all this. I said, but I'm not stopping. I said, you can go ahead and tell her it ain't happening. But he's the type, he's a laid back kid. He's not gonna say that. But she still has the pending charges from the non-supportive child and felony child abuse of him and his little sister, which is 5 years old. But when I started this child support case, man, I'll be honest with you, they acted just like they did not understand why a man is in the office filling out paperwork, and then when I had to put my income down, it's one of those, oh, you really gonna take her for child support? Yeah, you're damn right I'm gonna take her to child support. Care what the hell my income is. It's not about what my income is, it's about what she's supposed to be doing. So, and I want it backdated all the way to June, it's around June 15th. I started it back last year in June, shortly after I got him. So yeah, I've been in the system too damn long to know what goes on and how to maneuver through the system. So by me fighting the child support attorneys all for the last 16 years, I pretty much know what can and can't be done. So yeah, I want everything that y'all gave me, I want it for her. If she don't show up to court, I want a judgment that by default. That's what I want. Default judgment, meaning they can set it to whatever they want to, because she's not there to represent herself. If she don't show up to court, I'm asked for a bench warrant. That's just what it is, man. As men, we go through that bull crap, man. Like, you get court dates, you don't even know if it, sometimes you don't even get served to go to court. You mess around, get pulled over, they like, you got a court, you got a warrant, like, for what? And if you ever get a bench warrant for failure to appear, if you get the right judge and he realized you never got served properly, the judge will let you go home. That's lawful. I learned that in child support court. They picked up this dude and they had his right address, but he never got served. The sheriff turned the paperwork back in, talking about he wasn't home, address unknown. So when the judge heard what he had to say, he's like, Your Honor, I've been standing there. So the judge like, let him go home. Improper serve notice. And you got some sheriffs that ride around with the paperwork in their damn car, because it happened to me years ago. The caseworker's like, the sheriff said he can't find you, and the address I got down is this. I said, well, that's the address I'm at, and I've been here. And I asked, I said, are you in the office? She's like, yeah, I'll be here all day. I said, well, I'm going to come down and show you my driver's license. So when I got there and showed that woman my driver's license, she looked at the address on the child support paper. She's like, this dude wrote down, couldn't locate, been there several times. He been in my house several times, but never left me one of those notices about you have an important document from the sheriff department. So yeah, we get screwed over all the time, man. That's my time, man. My son coming to get in the car. I'll keep y'all updated. Keep y'all updated. All right.